Isabella, are you gonna come out and dance with me tonight? The stars look beautiful, so beautiful. Tell your mama I said sorry, I didn't bring you home early last time and I was a little tipsy. I know she doesn't miss me, so put on those shoes that I like. I will go and dance the night away, yeah. Because you're low, you only live once, so me I wanna have some fun. Vunya mfupa kama meno yiko. Up and away we go and spend all the money on you, baby. Cause I can't take it with me when I'm dead. So tonight we are young, high, and in love. Hey, what's up guys, my name is Robe and today I'm gonna walk you through on how to play Isabella on the keys, of course. Someone requested that I do this song, so here's a tutorial. I also have a chord sheet with me, so if you're interested with the chord sheets, I will link it up on the description area so that you can download it and use it as you work on the song. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and also if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, let me know in the comment area. So guys, with that aside, let's kick off right after this. This song is in the key of A, and every section of this song, the song structure of this song is composed of a verse and then a pre-chorus and a chorus. So every section will be a verse, pre-chorus and a chorus. So I'll divide this tutorial into 3 parts. The first section I will talk about the verse chord progression, and then I will follow that with the pre-chorus chord progression, and then finally we'll look at the chorus chord progression. So in the key, the song is key of A. The progression for the verse is 1, 5, 6. I mean no, not 6 but 4, and then 4 but minor chord. So this the 4 here is D chord and then D minor chord. So A, E, D chord and then D minor chord. So on my left hand, this is the A chord is just the normal straight A chord. I am playing note A with my small finger, note C sharp with my middle finger, and note E with my thumb. On that was my left hand. On my right hand, note A with my thumb, note C sharp with my middle finger, and note E with my small finger. So that's A major chord. Chord that follows will be a 5th chord. So this 5th chord is an E chord. This is an inversion of E chord. So normally you'll hold E major chord as so. First inversion you will play it as so. So I am using, on my left hand I am playing note G sharp with my ring finger, note B with my middle finger, and note E with my thumb. That's E major chord, first inversion of the E major chord. Then on my right hand, first inversion of the E chord. So E, normal E, then first inversion of the E chord. My thumb plays note G sharp, note B with my pointer finger, and note E with my small finger. 5th chord. So the chord that follows will be the 4 chord of the key of A, which is a D chord. So this is also an inversion of the D chord. So normally you'll hold your D here. So D, first inversion, second inversion. So this is the second inversion of the D chord. So on my left hand, I I am playing note A with my small finger, note D with my pointer finger, and note F sharp with my thumb. Left hand. On the right hand, note A with my thumb, note D with my middle finger, and note F sharp with my small finger. The chord that follows is a 4 chord, but now this will be a D minor chord. So this D minor chord is an inversion of the D minor chord. So normally you'll have your D minor straight here, then first inversion, second inversion. So on my left hand, I am playing note A with my small finger, note D with my pointer finger, and note F with my thumb. On right hand, note my thumb plays note A, note D with my middle finger, and note F with my small finger. So that's D minor chord. So those are the chords that comprise the progression for the verse. So this is how it all goes. A, E, D, D minor. Hey Isabella, are you gonna come out and dance with me tonight? The stars look beautiful, so, so beautiful. Tell your mama I said sorry, I didn't come. So ideally that's how you play that, the verse section. So after the verse, there's a pre-chorus. So the progression for the pre-chorus is 2, then 4, 5, 4, 5. Sorry, excuse. So the 2 is a B minor chord. The 4 is an D chord. 5 E chord, D chord, and then E chord again. So the new chord here is the B minor chord. So the B minor chord, this is an inversion, second inversion of the B minor chord. So normally you'll hold your B minor here. So B minor chord, second inversion. So on my left hand, I am playing note F sharp with my ring finger, note B with my pointer finger, and note D with my thumb. Right hand, note F sharp with my thumb, note B with my middle finger, and note D with my this is my small finger. So this is the new chord here. The other chords here we've already looked at them. So the 2, 4, 5, 4, and 5 again. So that beat, the pre-chorus, this is how the pre-chorus goes. So you will I'll start off with the minor chord of the verse. So put on those shoes that I like, and we'll go and dance the night away. Away, yeah. So that's the pre-chorus beat. And then after the pre-chorus, of course, is the chorus. So now this is the chord progression for the chorus. The progression for the chorus will starts off with 4, 6, 5, and then 5 again. So you will play that progression twice. 4, 6, 5, 5. So the new chord here is the 6th chord, which is F sharp minor chord. So the 4 is of course D chord, the 5, and then the 6 is the F sharp minor chord, and then the 5 is E chord. So this F sharp minor chord. So this one is an inversion of F sharp minor chord. So normally you play your F sharp here, F sharp minor. So this first inversion of the F sharp minor chord. So I'm using on my left hand note A with my small finger, note C sharp with my middle finger, and then note F sharp with my thumb. Right hand, note A with my thumb, note C sharp with my middle finger, and note F sharp with my small finger. So this is the F sharp minor chord. So the chorus, so this is the chorus. 6, 5 times 2, and then now you will finish up with the 4, 5, 1. This is how you sing. So let me sing that beat so that I can bring everything together. Because you only live once, and me I wanna have some fun tonight. Up and away we go and spend all the money on you, baby. Cause I can't take it with me when I'm sad tonight. We are high and in love. So that's how you will sing that beat. So this is how you will play the full song, and yeah, that's it for this tutorial. So guys, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you're new here, and also leave a thumbs up if you learn a thing from this tutorial. And if you have a song that you'd want me to do a tutorial on, feel free to let me know on the comment area. So guys, with that, let's see each other on the next tutorial. Ciao.